Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Big Red Overland. I'm Brian with Big Red Overland. Today, we're going to be replacing the taillights on my 2024 Jeep Gladiator. This is a base sport model, so I have halogen bulbs in the taillights, headlights, turn signals, things like that. And that's something I've been wanting to change. So, American Modified actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their new LED taillights for the Jeep Gladiator. And of course I said, yeah, I do. So they sent me over these, and I'm going to show you how to install these into a Jeep Gladiator or change out your taillights, whatever you got to do. If you need to change the bulbs in the taillights, this is what you're going to have to do too. So without further ado, let's get into it. It's a real easy, quick, simple job. Here we go. So on either side, you're going to have two 8mm bolts right there, and on the other side right there. So we're going to take those out real quick. Once you have the bolts out, there's just some factory clips in there, and it just pops right out, just like that. Once you pull that out, there's just a wire in there you're going to have to unplug. And then it comes right out. So now we're going to install the American Modified light. Plugs right into the factory harness there. It also has a relay on it, which I already installed onto the mounting plate inside because it's so cold out here. But it's a real easy job. It's just going to plug right in. You're going to want to mount this relay somewhere. They give you little clips, and I actually see a spot up under there that I think it's going to work, or you can just double tape it into there with 3M tape or something like that. So let's get this installed. Now that we got it plugged in, you're going to need to reuse the factory clips that are on here. That's what the screws retain to hold the light in. So you just pop these off and we'll put them on the other lights. And once you have those clips replaced, it's just going to pop back into the factory location right here. So line up the pins. And it goes right in. And then we're going to replace those bolts. I'm just going to make sure those screws line up. Before we do the right side, I'm just going to start the truck up and just do a quick function test. It's going to be probably a little hard to see because it's daytime. We'll come back later at night and I'll show you exactly what they look like. All right, now that we confirm they're working, we're just going to do the right side real quick and we'll be done. And a real quick side note here, if you ever need to change the bulbs on just your regular halogen lights like this, you would just pop them out just like how we did. And you'll see there's a port right here and a little mount right there. And you just turn these, pull them out, and you have access to the bulbs. And that's how you would replace the bulbs. Pretty easy. These are those clips I mentioned earlier. They came off the factory tail light, and they just go on, slip right on the same spot onto your aftermarket lights, just like that. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's how you change out the tail lights on the Jeep Gladiator. As you can see, it's a really easy job. It's just those 4 bolts. Even if you just need to change the bulbs on your factory lights, it's no problem. You can do it in no time. Again, these are the American Modified LED tail lights. They make those in the red finish like I have here, and they also have them in a really cool smoked out lens. I opted for the just regular red because I wanted to keep the factory look a little bit. But if you want to pick those up, I have a link in the description, or you can just head right over to their website. If you learned anything today, please leave a comment, a like, a subscribe, anything. It helps my channel a lot. I'm really trying to grow out here, and I appreciate all the support. And that's all I have for you today. So thank you guys for watching, and Big Red Overland out.